Good evening. Whose fingerprint was found on murder victim Rhoni Reuter's front doorknob? Those fighting to free the convicted killer want to know and wonder why it's never been analyzed before.
CBS 2 political investigator Dana Kozlov is in the newsroom with this exclusive. And Dana, they'll be asking a judge for permission to test it this week.
Yeah, Erica and Brad, it will be the latest move by Marni Yang's defense team coming a month after a Lake County judge ruled their petition for a new trial has merit.
Whose fingerprint is this? Convicted killer Marni Yang's defense lawyers will ask a judge for permission to find out in court on Wednesday after digging it out of the Lake County State's Attorney's evidence file.
And we said, why was this print never run? Why was it never investigated? So if it was, it's not in the record.
Perry Myers is the lead investigator on the team working to get Yang a new trial. She was found guilty for planning and then murdering 42-year-old Rhoni Reuter in her Deerfield home in 2007. Reuter was 7 months pregnant when she was shot 6 times, carrying ex-Chicago Bear Sean Gale's child. In court, Gale admitted to having a sexual relationship with Yang, too.
Guilty on all counts, and that's what we were looking for,
said Gale on the day Yang was convicted. But Yang's defense claims Lake County prosecutors hid and failed to turn over evidence, including this fingerprint found on Reuter's front door handle.
The killer was right there, and if the killer touched that door and left a fingerprint, then that may well be the fingerprint of the killer.
Yang's defense attorney, Jed Stone, says tests show the print isn't Yang's, Reuter's, or anyone familiar with Reuter's home. It's part of a pile of evidence questions he has, which includes where this bracelet, allegedly worn by Reuter and stolen by Yang, came from, why male DNA was found on unspent rounds at the murder scene, and Yang's family's insistence that she faked a confession.
All right, let's make it up.
Because police threatened to frame her son Andrew.
I know it was a false confession because they wanted me to confess to something.
At the time, Lake County prosecutors called the case against Yang airtight.
Well, this was probably the strongest evidence I personally have seen in my career.
Yang's new defense team doesn't buy it.
Yang's defense will also ask to see video from a barbershop on the day of Reuter's murder to check out Gale's alibi. Lake County is expected to file a motion to dismiss this case next month. If it isn't granted, a judge could decide whether to grant a new trial this summer. And repeated calls to Sean Gale, by the way, have never been returned. In the newsroom, Dana Kozlov, CBS 2 News. Brad?
Dana, thank you.